How to fix error code 773 on Roblox. So if you want to fix the error code 773 on Roblox, then first you need to open up your Roblox application. And once you open up your Roblox, now you just need to simply go with the settings option, which will be on the left side. Go with the three dots. Under three dots here, you will have settings option. Go with settings. Under settings, you need to go with the privacy option. And under privacy here, you will have an option of account restrictions are disabled. And this option needs to be disabled. So if you're seeing enabled option right here, then you just need to simply go and disable that option. Once you've disabled, your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to simply go back and then you need to uninstall your Roblox application. So you can simply go with the settings option. Under settings, you need to go for apps. Under apps, go for installed apps. And from here, you can search for Roblox application. Once you search for Roblox, go with the right side, which has that three dots, and then go for uninstall. And again, install it, and you can log into your account, and your problem may be fixed. And the last thing you can do is restart your device. And once you've restarted, your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix your error code 773 on Roblox. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.